Happy birthday pa! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, dear Lolo! Happy birthday, Lolo! Then, 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 then. Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, Lolo! Pa, pa, pa!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Lolo!
Po, po, po!
Happy birthday po! We love you!
Happy birthday po! Say love you, Lolo!
Love you.
Love you! Love you! Kiss!
Kiss tayo.
Mimi!
Lolo, lolo.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday.
Wish namin ay good health sa inyo parate. Sana makasama ka pa namin ng mahabang panahon. Ingat ka palagi at alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Yun lang. Love you po.
Happy birthday
To you!
Happy birthday Happy birthday
Dear Pa!
Happy birthday to you.
We love you! And we miss you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Birthday pa! Goodbye!
Hello po Lolo, happy 75th birthday po and maraming salamat po sa mga hard lessons and mga teachings na binibigay niyo sa akin. Rest assured, take into heart ko yung mga advices niyo, yung mga payo niyo, as well as yung mga life lessons na ini-instill niyo sa amin. And I hope and I pray na maging healthy po kayo and maging prosperous po yung life nyo. And see you soon po.
Happy birthday, Daddy Lolo.
Happy 75th, Daddy Lolo! Doon niyo na po candle! Happy birthday!
Hi pa. Happy birthday po. Stay happy and healthy. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po, Papa. God bless po.
Happy birthday pa. Wish you good health and enjoy your day po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday pa. May you have many more birthdays to come. And ingat po palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lolo! Take care! God bless you!
We love you.
Love you. Pa, happy birthday po. Ito, nandito ako sa garahe ngayon. Wala nang bakal, ayan. Ginagawa ko yung kama ni Sian. Tapos na yung bakal ko, kaya matatanggal ko na itong mga kalat ko rito. Ayan, pati yung bintana ko, lumabas na. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi po. Happy birthday po pa. More birthday to come. And good health. At lagi po kayo dyan mag-iingat ni Mama. At God bless po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung birthday niyo. And thank you po sa pag-love and sa mga binibigay niyo po sa amin. And hope to see you soon po ulit. I love you, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy 75th birthday! I hope na marami ka po pong blessings na matatanggap. And I love you so much. Lots of love here from the Philippines.
Po, enjoy niyo po ang araw na yung araw niyo. Lagi po kayo malusog. Sige po, love you.
Happy birthday pa. Enjoy your day pa. Sana makasama namin kayo ulit. Ingat palagi. Good health and more blessings to come para may ma-share ka. Love you pa. Love you. Bye-bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po. Love you po. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Lola Flor. Ingat po palagi. We love you.
Happy 75th birthday, Tito. More amazing years, healthier days, and joyful minutes to you. God bless you always. We love you. Happy, 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 happy birthday. Enjoy!
Hi Tito, anong balita? Happy 75th birthday. I pray for more healthy years to come. And of course, thank you for being the best Tito. And at the same time, thank you for being a father figure to me. Looking forward to see you again here in Qatar or in the US. Ingat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Flor. Sana lagi kang healthy. We love you. Ingat lagi. Hi, Kuya. Happy 75th birthday sa'yo. I'm so glad. I'm so thankful sa 75 years na pinagkaloob ng Panginoon sa'yo. Sana abutin ko rin yan. And more years para magkakasama-sama tayo. Just enjoy your day. And so blessed to have you sa family. Salamat sa oras mo, sa mga time na nagkakausap tayo, sa mga advices mo, sa mga sharings natin. Prayer ko na sana bigyan pa tayo ng maraming taon na ma-enjoy natin tayong magkakapatid sa family natin. Praying na dumating yung time na magiging masayang-masaya tayong umuwi sa Pilipinas. And kaya iingatan mo yung sarili mo. Less stress dapat. Huwag kang masyadong nag-iisip at nagmamadali na gawin lahat ng mga bagay sa in your time. In God's perfect timing, lahat yan ibibigay ng Panginoon. Till here, and I just want you to enjoy life. Life is what we make it. Ingat kayo dyan ni ate. More blessings, more memories, happy memories to come. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Kuya. I hope you have a wonderful birthday to celebrate. And best regards to Sister Tess and everyone. Lovingly yours, Libby. Bye.
Bati na po. Ito po si Ambit.
Hi, kamusta po? Brother Florante Pineda, may pinuno, may idol. Kamusta na po kayo and family po nyo? Gusto ko lang po mag-greet sa inyo ng maligayang kaarawan. Nami-miss ko na po kayo. Kaso pinaglayo tayo ng tadhana. Baka may mga sarili tayong mission bilang disciple ni Jesus Christ. Masaya po ako dahil nabati ko kayo ng wag na yung age. Sana maraming birthday pang dumating sa inyo at maging malusog pa kayo kasama pamilya nyo at sana po maging masaya kayo sa araw na inyong kaarawan. Basta po kayo, we miss you. Happy birthday po. Papasok po kami ng work ni sister.
Yan. Nakabati na si brother. Papunta po kami sa work kasi. Kaya po yan, ganyan. Ako naman po ang gagati. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo, Brother Pineda. Wish po namin na maging maganda ang kanyang kalusugan at marami po kayong mabigyan ng inspirasyon sa lahat ng mga nakakasalamuhan yung tao. God bless po at ingat po kayo dyan. Pati yung pamilya. Bye po for now. Have a good day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Brother Pineda. God bless you always and good cheers.
Brother Pineda, happy 75th birthday. Hope you're enjoying your special day and we hope that we can see you soon with Sister Pineda.
We miss you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time together and you know, even though we're not able to celebrate with you, know that you are in our thoughts, and we're very happy to actually be invited to do this video. We miss you guys again, and you know, hope you can come and visit sometime soon.
We love you guys. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Brother Pineda. Happy 75th birthday. Wishing you many more great living in your life. Your 75th third quarter na yan, brother, still going on strong. We wish you the best of many years to come. Happy birthday again, and we miss you in the Filipino ward.
Brother Pineda, happy birthday. I hope you're enjoying your birthday, and regards to Sister Pineda, and we miss you all from the Filipino ward. Hope you come and visit here. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday again. 75th. Ang galing. Hindi ka nagbabago. Instead na tumatanda, binary reverse. Ano bang potion ang tinitake mo? Come visit us. We miss you and your family, of course. Okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Is it the 76th birthday yet, or are we still on 75?
75 still. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Okay, take 4. Good spot, sister.
Gotta capture the moment.
That's right.
Wow.
75th birthdays only come around once.
Great, guys. Okay, give that to the missionaries. Thank you, Dad.
What are you taking charge of this, Maxie? I'm just wondering here.
It just looks so groovy.
Here, we'll hand it around.
Move around.
Nope.
That's
mine?
for you because it's
Okay,
a
I'm
big
taking it. I'm not going to argue. I saw you reach out. You were ready for it.
I was going to pass?
Yeah, I know.
President, grab.
Oh, okay.
Nope, I got my own. Make it small. Small.
Yes,
for
small,
me.
small.
Small for me. I have my chocolate.
Okay, I'll pass the forks around. I feel safe doing that.
There you
We can do that.
Yes, thank you. Ooh, that is good.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I was wondering if this was going to be like Dobosh cake.
Yep, you can.
Why we get Dobosh cake?
Where is that?
Valentine's Day is coming up. That means an exception.
Oh, it's Portuguese.
It's his birthday.
So I spent some
Not
time
an exception.
talking to the sister missionaries, and I took a lot of their time, and they're really fascinating. If I spend time with you, are any of you fascinating, or would that just be a waste?
Waste. Let's see what Elder Gonzalez. Yeah, Elder Gonzalez.
Okay, just talk to Elder Gonzalez.
Gonzalez.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
I don't want to waste my time. The sisters were fascinating, so.
Yeah, you sure? Elder Gonzalez is pretty smart.
Okay, we'll spend some time. Who's his companion? Okay.
He's less interesting.
We have more.
So are any of you on the Spanish-speaking mission, or is it all? Wait, there can't just be one of you. Doesn't there have to be 2 of you?
He's in the English area right now.
Do you know Ablo?
Yes, Elder Gonzalez.
He is French.
Saan napunta? Ayan pa. Happy birthday! Yeah, mga friends naman namin ngayon. Kanina mga missionaries. Kaya tama lang timing din na paalis na sila. Dumating naman kayo.
Tinanong ko nga kahapon, tawag kami ng tawag dun sa mga missionary, ay sa mga sa cafe. Walang sumasagot yung pala pag Tuesday off nila.